Welcome to Beyblade World by ZANKYE, and my show starts right now. So today for our Beyblade show, we've got Revive Phoenix versus VISE Leopard. Phi versus, I believe, his name is, part of his name has Vanot in it. Basically, they battled in the manga and soon to be in the anime, and Phi like crushed the Bey with absolute ease. Both have a level chip, so let's see how the Beys perform in this stadium. We're gonna be going up to 15 points. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. First round. Come on, VISE Leopard! Come on! Revive Phoenix, 1-0. Let's move on. Next round, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! What? What the hell? I thought I had the level chip on. What happened? What?
It's 2-0.
Okay. I don't know how the level chip slipped off. Maybe I threw it in the stadium. I don't know. What? I'm getting this one. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Your armor's off. This is mine. Hit the Bey! Hit the Bey! We're going up to 15, so 3-0.
3-0.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! What? I gave you one hit!
5-0.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Hit the Bey! Okay, you wanna know what? So what is that, 6-0? 6-0 it is. I'm gonna lower the lift. We're gonna see how different it is. Three, 2, 1, go, shoot! So we're at 6 right now?
Yeah.
Make it 7.
7-0.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Why?
Mais 8-0.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! No armor this time! Frick. 10-0.
-0.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! You wanna know what?
12-0.
You wanna know what? You wanna know what?
It's okay.
I'm gonna use different parts. Yeah, it's still VISE Leopard.
It's 12-0 for your record.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna beat you with the red layer. I'll beat you with the red layer.
I'm a strong blader.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot!
It's 14-0. Almost.
How about this? How about?
Finishing the cleanup.
No. Don't worry. Don't you
What
worry.
a strong Bey. Revive Phoenix.
I'm going to give myself 12. Left operates VISE Leopard, and I'm gonna see. This is just a fan combo. I don't know.
It's 14-0. I'll wait for you.
If I beat you, I win it all.
Deal.
3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Now let's do it again. Come on.
It's like 15-0. No,
No.
For the fans of the fans.
Okay. VISE Leopard 12 Jolt. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! Wow!
The driver's there.
Okay. That's fine. Like and subscribe. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Are you kidding me? We're done. So, Revive Phoenix is our winner. I hate Vice Leopard. I don't think Vice Leopard is like good at all. Seems just so... It feels like the next Crash Ragnarok. That's how I feel, like how bad it is. I don't know. Maybe there's like a really good combo I'm not seeing for this one. But yeah. Well, leave a like and comment who you want to see Vice Leopard battle against next. That was an amazing video. Make sure to hit that like button, show your support, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already are subscribed, make sure you click that bell to be notified for uploads, and as always, have an awesome burst-filled day.